AK Capital. Please everybody give him a huge round of applause. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone, and my regards to all respective dignitaries. As a lead manager to this issue, we would like to say 2-3 things. We were involved in the issue of Lucknow Municipal Corporation also, which happened in November 2020. This issue is somehow, in Lucknow issue, we have seen a massive response from investors. Again, the issue of 200 crore rupees, they got massive subscription of more than 4 times. In case of Ghaziabad, the structure is somehow similar. In terms of debt servicing, everything is similar. But there are 2 innovations. One is, as Tawar said, that this is the first green bond issue in India. And second thing, we similarly, like in Lucknow, we got a massive subscription of more than 4 times. But this time we have seen a variety of investors. First time in the history of these municipal corporation issuances, one of the international investors came in and they invested. If this thing will continue, this kind of innovation, this kind of structuring, so I am hopeful that we will be able to make this market. Right now it is, till now we have raised around 4,000 crore rupees in last 2-3 years from 12 issuers. If we do certain kind of innovation, so I am hopeful that we can create maybe 2-3 issues per month. Right now we are doing maybe 1 issue in 6 months. In last financial year we have done 2 issuances, municipal corporations. One is Lucknow and second is Ghaziabad. In coming months we are seeing some issuances from even maybe from UP and maybe from out of UP. I am thankful to entire GNN team, which is headed by Mahendra sir. And secondly, I am highly thankful to Keshav sir and Sujata madam for their guidance, and obviously thankful to the guidance and dedication of UP government. In December only, they have clearly mentioned, Honorable CM, they have announced in Bombay Stock Exchange that they are going to launch Ghaziabad in this financial year, and they have done it. Currently, we are seeing that maybe in next half year, maybe Varanasi, Agra, Kanpur, or maybe some other ULBs from some other states, these are in pipeline for launching such kind of instruments. I have seen one of the tweets of Mishra sir yesterday, in which he was quoting that he will encourage more ULBs having rating of A+ or more. Currently, in all issuances, in all 12 issuances, the rating was AA and above, maybe AA or maybe AA+. If we can encourage other ULBs which having rating of less than AA, maybe A+ or AA-, and if we do some kind of innovation like we have done in Ghaziabad, it's a green bond, and some structuring for debt servicing, some strong structuring. So this market can be built in next 3 to 4 years. We are fully committed to develop this market. First time we got some international investors in case of Ghaziabad, and in future maybe in case of next maybe Varanasi. So in that case we are seeing more participation from international investors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Varun Kaushik. Now I would like to invite Srimati Asha Sharma, our Honorable Mayor, Ghaziabad. Please everybody give her a huge round of applause.